Welcome. Let's look at the thoracic cavity versus the mediastinum. The thoracic cavity is the entire space that is located within the thorax. This is the region of the thorax. This is the constriction above it, that is the neck. And on top of the neck, of course, we have the head. So the entire space that is contained within the thorax is the thoracic cavity. And this is the entire region of the thorax. And we know that within the thorax, on the lateral side, both the right and the left lateral side, we have the lungs, and this is where the lungs are located, one on each side, which means that the thoracic space is already taken up by the lungs on both sides, leaving up a central space that is called the mediastinum. So this central region is called the mediastinum. Looking at this image up here, this is the thoracic cavity, and below the thoracic cavity, we have a demarcation that is called the diaphragm that tends to separate the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. Within the entire thorax, the space that is located within it is the thoracic cavity. And we've also established that on the lateral side of the thorax, we have the placement of the lungs, and these are the lungs highlighted in purple. So we have right lung and also the left lung. And because they are located on the lateral side, there's going to be the creation of a central space, and this space that is created between the two lungs is called the mediastinum. So we can say that the mediastinum is a sub-region of the thoracic cavity. So thanks for watching. Let's meet again.